So, and guys, nandito na tayo. Meron ditong sa baba, pindot nyo po to guys. Click nyo lang po yung Share Tax Details and Documents. Ayan, may lalabas na mga information. Nakapag-submit tayo 2021 pa guys. So, ang gawin natin guys, pindot lang natin to. Submit a new form. Yan, kita nyo yun guys sa taas. Ito. Click nyo lang yan. Then, start a new form. Yan guys, pindot lang guys. So, ayan na nga guys. Pindot lang natin tong, click natin tong start form. Ayan. Wait lang natin. Ayan, ilagay natin yung ating password kay ng Google. Password ng, YouTube or Google. So, ayan guys, nalagay na natin yung ating password. Next na natin. Click lang natin yung next. At maghintay. So, ayan na nga guys. So, sabi niya dito, what type of account is Melanie Tokmo? Andun yung pangalan ko guys. So, pindutin lang natin to individual guys. Yan. Click lang natin and then next. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, guys, sabi niya, are you citizen or residents of the United States? Syempre, no. Nasa Pilipinas tayo, guys. Ayan. Click lang natin and then next, guys. So, guys, meron ditong select W8 tax form type. Ayan. And then, pindot natin tong W8 VEN. So, click lang natin yan guys. And then, so yan guys, na-click na natin yung WEBEN. So, click natin tong start WEBN form. Ayan. Wait lang natin guys. Loading. So, ayan na guys. Nag-loading rin guys. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Kailangan natin mag-fill up ng tax identity natin. Pangalan yung lagay dito sa taas guys ha. Name of individual who is the beneficial owner. So, pangalan yung ilalagay dyan guys. And then, country region of citizen. Syempre, nasa Pilipinas tayo. Kung saan kang country, guys, yun ang ilagay mo dito. Okay, let's go to the Philippines. Okay. So, ayan guys, nahanap ko rin yung Philippines. Ayan. So, ayan guys, kapag natapos yung lagyan nyo ng quarantine nyo, in-next nyo na guys. Optional lang naman tong US ITIN or SSN. Yan. Optional lang yan guys. Tsaka ditong sa taas kayo ha. Optional lang din yan. Nasa sa inyo kung maglalagay kayo. So, ayan. Naglagay na ako ng pangalan sa taas. At naglagay na rin ako nitong quarantine sa baba. Okay. Next na natin guys. So, ayan. So, ayan na nga guys. Lagay natin yung street address natin dito guys. Ayan. Kung same address kayo guys ha, i-click nyo to, tong box na to. Ayan. Yung same address lang guys. Click nyo yan. And then, so ayan guys, na-fill up na nga natin. Scroll tayo sa baba guys. Ayan, mailing address. Ayan. Then, pindot natin tong next. Okay. Yung mailing address is same permanent resident address. Ayan, pindot nyo to guys. Kung same lang. Ayan, click nyo to. And then, next tayo. Loading lang. Wait lang natin. So, ayan guys, nandito na nga tayo. So, are you claiming a reduced rate withholding under a tax treaty? So, or are you claiming, ayan na nga. So, ayun na nga guys. So, ayan, pindot natin itong yes. And then, yeah, resident ka ng kung anong bansa ka. So, Philippines. Punta lang tayo sa Philippines guys. Ayan. And then, click natin to. And then, meron tayong special rates and condition. Click lang natin tong tatlo, guys. Ayan. Click natin yan. So, ayan, na-click na nga natin, guys. Click lang natin tong Article 13 and paragraph number 2A. And withholding rate, 15%. So, dito tayo sa baba. Article 8 and paragraph 1 and reduced treaty rate 0. Okay. Ito guys ito. Yan. So, punta tayo sa pangatlo guys. Ganun ulit. Article 13 and paragraph 2A and 15% reduced treaty rate. Ayan. So, pindot natin tong box nito guys, and then after that guys, next lang natin. Wait lang natin guys. So ayan guys, nakita nyo yan yung lumabas ng ano natin. Yan, tingnan nyo lang mabuti yan guys kung tama. Yan, tama naman lahat guys. Yan, tingnan mo mabuti lahat ng tama ang mga address ang ano natin. Double check lang natin. So, meron dito. Has Milani to has blah blah blah. Pangalan ko yun guys. Perform any activities and service for GoGo with us or they expect to in the future. So, mag-note tayo guys. And then, click natin na I certify that the service provide to Google or blah blah blah, ganyan guys. So, yan. So, next lang natin. Pagkatapos natin pindutin yung pagkatapos natin click natin tong no, and then click mo tong certify, and then next na guys. Pagkatapos mong na-review yung mga info mo guys, mga ano natin kanina, next lang natin. So ayan, pagkatapos mong mabasa lahat yan guys, naka-go paperless recommended na tayo dyan, na-click na ano na natin yan. So dito tayo guys sa box, I accept the paperless delivery agreement. So yung, kung agree ka ba dun sa agreement ni ni Google AdSense, I mean. Nagbablurred na, sorry. And guys, na-click na natin tong accept. Then next na natin guys. Ayan. Dito yung agreement, yung pag-apply natin guys ng ating pag-resubmit ng ating tax info. Kung gusto nyo lakihan guys, nalalakihan naman yan guys. Kung gusto nyo tingnan, so yan, i-click lang natin tong I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So, click lang natin tong box na guys, and next natin. Click lang natin yung next guys sa baba. Ayan. So, makikita natin dito ay certify and sign. So, tax form certification, meron dito sa box under penalties of perjury. I declare that blah blah blah. Basahin nyo na lang guys. So, yan, click lang natin to. So, ayan na nga guys. Natapos natin i-click tong under penalties perjury and declare that. Ayan, click na natin yan. Dito hindi na kailangan guys. Kung may binago kayo, yan, kailangan. Pero kung wala naman, no-need na. So, dito, your signature. I acknowledge that I am signing the tax form above and never mind. I mean, ayan, I acknowledge that I'm signing the tax form above accompanying affidavit of unchanged status. So, ang click natin dyan guys is yes, I am the beneficial owner name in the tax identity section. So, ikaw click mo yan. And then, may dito sa baba, may automatic na pangalan mo. And then, next na gagawin natin, submit lang guys. Click lang natin tong submit. So, yan guys, nakapag-loading na rin. So, yan na nga guys, may nakikita na ako. After seconds na napag-submit natin, sabi niya dito, status accepted. Your tax info has been accepted. So, approve na guys. So, ayan. Ngayon is September 17, 2024. Ayan. Expire siya guys on December 31, 2027. So, thank you. Nakapag-submit na tayo. Ayan. Okay na guys. Thank you for watching. I hope may nakuha kayong aral. Bye-bye guys. See you to my next vlog. Thank you for watching.